How many 379s can I make? One for one. Okay. A lot of hook out there, boys. A little closer, a little closer. Damn. What?
Gotta give a little more room.
I know, it's tough. So much hook to the outside. I need to keep moving left. The back of ball is definitely the play though. Oh. Dang. I think once I make one, it's gonna be game over. Oh. We're closing in. Use right-handed balls. Might just throw this right-handed. Need to get the back pin.
Hey, just so you know, Mitch can make more 710s than you so far.
He might make more 710s than I do 379s. I think it's a harder spare. Oh, depressing. I might make none. Do you think I should switch balls?
You don't get any in your first 10.
I told myself I was going to shoot 30 of them like this before I switched balls.
30 full.
This is getting depressing. This one's offset. This is a make. This one's a make. A little off spot. That's just not close. I hook it too much. I'm switching balls. Just need to make one. Just one.
I'm calling it now. Fair.
I know. Walk it out the other way.
It's okay. You didn't make it, so it doesn't matter.
That was closer. That was closer. Just need a little more hook. I should have requested all of them off spot. That way I could make a couple easier. Oh. That's lane 10. You said I should switch if I don't make any in the first 10. The problem is I really don't think I could make it with a reactive ball. I'm gonna give myself 10 more lanes. I'm gonna give myself to lane 20. This one's a little off spot. I just gotta try and make the 3-7 instead of trying to make the spare. Try and get too much angle and I just miss them. Oh my God. Close. That was close. Cameraman better not be slacking because this one's a f***ing make. I'm zoning in on my 3-7s. Okay, now this one's a make, and I'm gonna keep saying that until I make one. This one's a make. My God, I f***ing hate myself. I'm switching balls. This is a strategy I use in league and tournaments all the time. You put the ball you're gonna switch to on the rack to try and force this puppy into making it. So, if I don't make it in one of these next two, then I'm actually switching. This one's offset, I'm making it. Yeah, I'm making this one, just like I said I would every time. I'm gonna move 2 and 1. Oh. I need more angle.
Can I call you out at the end of this video?
This is not good. The ball change is happening. I tried to scare it, still missed. Big wheel time. I still can't get it around the corner. It's the same problem. I'm gonna move another 2-in-1. A little more rotation. Oh. Damn. We're moving way left. Calling out Brandon Biondo, this is his release, the spin biscuit. This is a make. Oh, can't. Oh. Close. Game time. Spin it. I'm lasered in on 3/7. I'm gonna try and slow wheel it. That's my first none. Oh my God. Why doesn't it carry? Gotta switch to a symmetrical ball. It's time to have a one-on-one with my spare ball. I'm not gonna cover the back pin, I've decided. Just too much hook on the lane. Can't get the rotation I need. So she's gonna need to send that 3-pin off the wall, nice and light. One time. Come on. This a make. This is a make. I'm making one before lane 34. It's a guarantee. Guarantee! Ah! Yo! Let's go! Ah! That is not how I expected that to happen at all. What can I say? I'm lucky. Now that I make one, it's all bonus from here. It's all icing on the cake. But I still have to move and hit it thinner. Oh. Now we're zoned in. Oh, that's so bad. Oh, that's 0. I'm so close, Cam. I feel like if I hit it thin enough, I can cover the back pin. When I try and hook at it, I can't cover it. Mitch made more 710s. This is more makeable than a 710, and I just can't do it. Physically can't do it. Except for this one. Son of a Oh my God, how did that miss? That came across the deck flying. You're not throwing hard enough to make it. Yeah, whatever.
I'll just spare the 9-7 or the 7-9. You just spare it more often.
Agreed, I'd just chuck it at the 7-pin if I was trying to make a 7-9. This is a skill shot like I'm about to show you on this one. Oh Oh my God, I just can't miss these 3.7s. I can't miss them. That they say protects it, but just f***s me up. Makes me lose.
How do you say that?
It just f***ed me up. Nah. Oh my God. I can't miss the 3.7. I need to hit it thinner. I'm needing an ice pack for my hand. And one for my heart. Moving 2 and 1. Oh my God. 9. Moving 2 and 1 again. Lacing it. All right, finally missed a 3.7. This is a make. God. Might need to change the strategy up a little bit. Do you think I should hit it heavy or keep trying to slide it?
I think you should keep trying to slide.
Agreed. It's the correct way to make it. I just suck. Oh, I dropped it. It's depressing. Hit my target, laser focused. Colton's pissing me off. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it the same way again. After a long consideration.
Road, don't fix it.
I wiggled the 3-pin. I'm not wiggling this one, I'm making it. I'm making every single one. Oh! You know what it is? It's the oil pattern over here.
Fresh?
I mean, to be fair, these aren't the house shot. Oh! Come on. Laced. I might make the rest of them. What, I got 5 left? 100% the next 5? Oh my God, that should have hooked.
Bold strategy, but you gotta get 1 to get 3.
That literally was going to hook.
Way to give it a chance for 2 in a row.
I'd rather get 0 like that than smash 2 of them in the face and make it like the one down there for sure. Oh my God. Did the same thing. I'll tell you right now, lanes 40 through 48 are sport shot, less hook to the right, backup ball is no good.
Hey.
This one's off spot the wrong way. This is my last chance. I'd like to thank all you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below how many you would make, or a crazy story about what you've done. What's the hardest split you guys have picked up? This might be the hardest one. I think a 710 is easier than this. Let me know. This one's a make though. Oh, I gave it a chance. Gave it a chance. Happens. All right, so for the 379, the conversion rate on the PBA is a 0.8%, which means I'm a baller, and I made 2 of them, which puts me at whatever that percentage is right there. That's where it puts me at. And yeah, so that was my split challenge. Comment down below what split you guys want to see next on the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.